Here we have Lucky Girl. How you doing, Lucky Girl? Yeah. She's getting ready to have her pouch cleaned. Yeah. And she likes to get it over with as soon as possible. It's not her favorite thing. And she behaves, though. She puts up with it. All right, Lucky Girl. You ready to have your pouch cleaned? Ready to have your pouch cleaned? She's so cute. Look at you, Lucky Girl. Look at you. Yes. You all relaxed now? You relaxed, little Opie? Okay. Let's see. This isn't dirt, by the way. That's just a fur coloring. And it's a little orange today, so I'm going to clean it up. See you later. Oh, there goes the legs. There goes the legs. Ooh, tickly, 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 tickly. Tickly, 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 tickly. Oh well. See you later. See you later, everybody. Gotta use 2 hands on this job. 2 hands for the Lucky Girl. Yeah. See you, little girl. Yeah, she says goodbye.